Hey guys, welcome to the course on writing your business plan. My name's Alex and I run multiple companies here in the UK. One of the most sort of prominent ones that you may have heard of is linemark.com. Now, this course is all about the business plan that really is the backbone of this company. So it covers everything from how we market, how we find customers, how we define the services, who we go after, how we close sales, but also how we grow the company. Now, the truth is, I think business plans usually come afterwards. Don't get me wrong, it's something that you want to do at the start of your company. I know for me though, it was 2 years down the line of actually running linemark.com before I even started to put a business plan together. And really, it only came out of frustration. You see, when we ran our company linemark.com, I would look at other businesses. I'd go into Company's House, I'd see how well they were performing, I could see their accounts, their balances, their money, and I would get a little bit, not peed off, but a little bit envious. Like, why was their company growing? Why is my company not growing? And what can I do about that? Because I want those customers. I want that money for my business. And I didn't really know what to do. Now, it did take me a couple of years of kind of floundering around, trying to find my feet before I realized that the biggest issue is actually I don't have a plan in place. And that's kind of really the issue. So in this course, what we're going to cover is defining your service and your market, learning how to identify your niche, understand your audience, and how to position your business effectively. Now, we're also going to be looking at creating a financial plan and understanding how to budget, price your services, and track profitability, one of the most important things. We're then going to look at developing a marketing plan, crafting compelling messages, and choosing the right channels to reach your audiences. Then we'll move on further. We'll look at building a sales funnel, creating a structured process for turning prospects into loyal customers, and then of course moving on to executing and scaling, turning your plan into action, and really adapting to change and grow sustainably. Now, each of these chapters includes practical examples, some activities, and some resources to help you apply what you've learned in your own business. So as you're scrolling down, if I just have a quick look here, you can see that we've got downloads. You can click on these, and if you open it up, it will give you the activity. Now, this one that you can see right here, this is actually the business plan that is the backbone of linemark.com, and it's available for you guys to use as well. It is quite big. There's an awful lot of content and information in this one here. So as you're scrolling through it, if I just come down here, I'll show you a bit clearer. What I've done here is I've given you pointers for what I think you might want to edit for your own, because obviously everything here is written for linemark.com. So this is adaptable to any business though. So I've given you my notes on the side, what you might want to do. This is my definition of things. You can go onto here and say, these are my business goals. I've then expanded on this to say, these are the goals we have, why we have them, how to set your goals. So it gives you literally everything. Now, it is quite a big document. It's as you can see, 43 pages long. So there's an awful lot of information. But at the end of this, you will have something that is literally ready for you to build your business. And the thing is, if you already have a business, that's okay, because that's when we wrote this. We already had a business that made money, but it wasn't growing the way we wanted it to. And we really needed it to scale bigger. So it's okay if you already have a company or whether you're just starting out. If you're starting out, this will help you define everything, and it will pose questions for you to think about that you may not have otherwise considered. But the same is also true if you have a company. Like I say, it will let you think about things that you may have overlooked. It'll help you really define your service and make you grow that company the way you had originally intended it to be. The other thing you'll find on here at the very bottom of the page, you'll have a link to a Discord channel. Now, on here, what we've done is we've created a Discord channel so that you can ask any questions. You can also access all the downloads, but you can also talk to other people within the community. So if you do need further insights, some information, anything else you want to go through, hit the Discord channel. It'll take you directly over to it. Ask any questions you need. You can also reach me directly through Discord as well. So if you've got anything you want to ask me directly, you can just use my name in there, tag me into it, and I'll happily help you guys with anything you need. That's it from this session. Download the resources. If you do get stuck, reach out to us, but hopefully it's really nice and self-explanatory. I really look forward to seeing you guys on the channel and of course in the next episodes.